Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday, happy Thursday. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without wasting your time, let's get to start off today. So there's no difference between Lokolo Matele and Mangwabe, guys. That you still remember, Mangwabe once told us on Eternal's Temple season 8, it was her last season. We'll never see her again. Here she is on Eternal's Temple season 9, telling us about she's here to prove a point, because there were family members who saying ukuthi abahamba yesosala sencenga welcoming uMakhwela, guys, it known as the family yakamacele, guys. You still remember they were celebrating. So right now she's here to prove a point. Imagine staying in a toxic marriage. You don't love this person, you're just here to prove a point, to show people ukuthi wena you're not going anywhere, guys. Your happiness is more important than anything else. But anyway, guys, who are we to judge uMacele for saying that after 20 years she wants to stay away from indaba zakamseleko and Mseleko? So why is we see her celebrating uMakhwela Membeso, guys, and people are saying about her uMacele ulimene. Who is Limenemene between Mangwabe and Macele, guys? We all know these wives that are not innocent, guys. Even Toby, when things were nice between her and Mseleko, guys, she used to talk better, but the other wives, guys, she will not defend them. She always stand with Mosam Seleko. So right now she wants everyone to team against Mosam Seleko, to stand with her so they can fight anything that is happening, anything that Mosam Seleko wants. Macele, guys, I don't blame her for supporting Mosamsele, because right now it seems like she's the only one who's supporting Indabayaka wife number 5. I mean, they don't get along with the other wives. So what makes you think she wants to turn against Mosamsele? For what reason? Her support her husband. Even when Mangwabe was entering Kwamseleko, guys, Utobile, she was the first one to welcome her, guys. Umain did not want Mangwabe, guys. Even when Tobile was entering Lana Kwamseleko, guys, Umayen and Macele, guys, they were teamed together. They didn't want it. Tobile, you can see with this thing did not start with Makwela, guys. This family has been going through a lot from season 1, guys. Just right now they want to act like uMakhwela, she is the problem. So guys, there's a trailer for Eternal's Temple season 9 episode 24, guys. You can see uMembeso wakaMakhwela, guys. They are celebrating. Mosamseleko said, oh God, there are things that they want to do for Makhwela. Unfortunately, they cannot do right now. I don't know what they were talking about. Some people are saying, oh God, it looks like it is not a ceremony yakaMakhwela. It looks like it was a ceremony in Ghana Makhwela. Maybe it was a birthday party, guys, because they see toys and there's a cake for Ingani. We all know that Ingani Makhwela, she's a girl, so you can see being stuff, So people are saying, because we're gonna find out tonight what is going on, guys. Some are saying, because finally Utobilishes agree, So Samseleko once said that the only reason was stopping him from marrying uMakhwela, it is because of Tobile, guys. So Tobile, she's the one who has money, and it will be easy for her to finance a lifestyle yaka Makhwela, because guys, he's the one who forced Makhwela to quit her job due to distance, guys. So people are saying, oh God, it seems like Tobile, she doesn't have a problem yaka Makhwela, guys. She has no choice to agree to make Mosamseleko happy. So guys, do you still remember there was a time where Macele was told to finish, guys? No one stood by her, guys. People were just laughing. So right now it is a way to revenge the other wives, guys. They also need to feel what she was feeling, guys. No one is perfect here, guys. All of them, they have their own drama. Umayeni, guys, she's so disrespectful. Let's all be honest. She doesn't respect Umseleko, guys, and we all think that is a good thing. No, guys, if you don't want to be in a STEM, why don't you leave? So it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment.